Everybody, welcome to week 6. It's February the 11th and we're still cleaning and decluttering, but we're going to move out of the kitchen a little bit this time. First of all, we need to do a little maintenance, and what we need to do is change the filters in the furnaces, so take some time to do that. Test your carbon dioxide, monoxide, and your smoke detectors. Make sure they're in good working order. Go around outside your house and check for ice dams and icicles. Clean the range hood and the fan above your stove. And on cold nights, leave your water running and dripping just a little bit. Flush your toilets. And in unused spaces, also check your water softener if you have one, and clean the garbage disposal. Those are some things that we're going to do this week. You might be going over the time limit a little bit, but those are things that really need to be done. And for our regular projects we're going to be working on this week is we're going to set up some cleaning areas, some areas for where to put the recycles and where to put trash. Now, this might not take a whole 15 minutes because you probably already have trash cans in these rooms. If not, just go around and put a trash can in your bathrooms, in your kitchen, in your work area, and anywhere that you have craft area, anywhere where trash is going to accumulate, put a trash can there. And if you have pets, make sure it's enclosed into a cabinet or has a lid to it so the pets can't get to it. Another thing that you need to do is go around and put a recycling box somewhere, either in your garage. I have 2 or 3 of them. I have one in the garage and I have one upstairs near our bedroom closet. And the reason I put in the closet is because if you put on the clothes and it doesn't fit or you don't like it, just throw it into the recycle bin immediately. Don't even worry about it. It's toxic to you. So get rid of it. Same thing with the kids' toys and their clothes. When they outgrow them, get rid of them. Put them in that donation box. And when that box is full, take it and donate it. So we're going to set up a donation box. And we're going to set up some recycling areas. Now, depending upon whether your town recycles or not, will make a lot on how you do your recycling. I have this system. In my kitchen, I have 3 bins, and it can be for plastic, for cans, and for just regular trash. So that's how I have it here. And then over in this area, I have an area just for magazines and newspapers. They go into here, and it's a convenient little area because you read the paper at the table and you toss it into the trash. Another thing you need to do this week is take a couple of minutes and organize all your batteries and your light bulbs. Put them in one central area. I also put candles in this area also, so in case of emergency I can know where my batteries are, I know where my candles are, and I can just come to them. So we're setting up our recycling area, we're setting up our trash cans, we're setting our area for our light bulbs and our batteries, decluttering any batteries or light bulbs that are broken or don't work. Another thing we need to do this week is puppies out there really making a lot of noise. Oh wow. Another thing one other thing we're going to do this week is we're going to declutter all the plastic silverware and stuff that you get from takeout and fast foods in place. They always send silverware home with you, and usually you use silverware that you have in your house, and you end up with the plastic silverware everywhere. So what I do is I pull up and just put it in a little bucket here at the table. So if you need any silverware, napkins, pins, paper, it's all right here at the kitchen table. So you can take notes. I use the plastic silverware mainly for the animals, dishing out their food, the wet food and stuff. and don't have to wash them. You just throw them away when you're done with them, and you go through the pile. I tell my table is a little messy again, and that's because it is snowing. It has been a lot of snow in the past couple weeks, and so I have a lot of winter gear laying around drying out, and I still got some paperwork I need to finish, like sending off for her AKC paperwork certificate. I haven't done that yet. All right, so what else do we get to do this week? All right, another thing you need to do, going with recyclables, figure out what you're going to do with all of your plastic bags. Now, I like to keep them in this little container here because we go through and we reuse them. But if you don't reuse them and you're just going to recycle them, I put them all in a bag, and when that bag's full, I take it to the recycling place. Usually Walmart usually has one, and I just take it and dump it into there. Another thing that you can do, if you have a compost pile, you can have a little pail that you can put your compost in, and that keeps it from the trash. Even if you have to put it in the trash, it's better to have it in this little pail, which has a filter on it to help keep odors down. And then come trash day, you just pick it up out of there and put it into your trash and get rid of it that way. Another thing that we need to do, especially if you're a gardener and you're getting ready to start seeds, is you need to make sure that you have your setup ready for planting the seeds. And make sure you have your lights. Make sure you have a system where you can put the little cells underneath the lights, heating mats. Just set that up and get that ready. Make sure you have your seeds. And, you know, it only takes about 15 minutes to do this. So we got a lot of 15-minute things this week. Some of them will be applicable to you and others won't. Some of them will take the whole 15 minutes, and some you can do 2 or 3 of them in one 15-minute period. But you need to also make sure your tools are ready, because it's soon going to be time to prune any damage from your trees and prune any rose bushes or any other shrubs that you have. That's coming up at the end of February. So make sure your tools are clean and sharp, and it's getting to be that busy time of year. So hopefully your house is beginning to look better, and you're following along with these and doing as many of these as possible. Just to do a recap, we are changing the filters in our furnace. We're checking our smoke detectors and our carbon monoxide detectors. We are checking for ice dams and icicles around the house. We're cleaning the range hood and the back of the fan. We are letting the water run on cold nights. We are checking the water softener and checking the cleaning the garbage disposal. All those can be done really quick. You can get all those done in 15 minutes easily. And then we're going to go around, make sure we have waste baskets and recycling donation boxes in different areas. We are going to check and clean out and declutter all the plastic silverware and take out menus. We're getting rid of those. No need to have those. If you want to check what's on the menu, go to the website and check it. You don't need the paperwork laying around. We are also going to declutter and organize our batteries and our light bulbs. And we're going to, last of all, we're going to declutter some of the craft supplies. If we have old paints that are dried up, if we have old decorations that we're never going to be using, we don't want to use, we're going to get rid of them. So that is this week's assignment. So dream big, follow that dream, get out there and work and get your house clean. Be in control of your house, and don't let the house control you. So hope you have a good week, and God bless, and see you in the next video. Bye everybody.